Hello everyone, you are watching RDX Goa's News Bulletin with me Deepali Naik. To begin with, let's take a look on the headlines. Goa government has certified Kaitu Silva as a citizen of India, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. Goa police to dispose of the Tarun Teshpal case as soon as possible, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. And local resident of Baina Vasco marched to the Marmagaon Municipal Council Hall on the issue of beautification of garden in the town. Now the news in detail. Goa government has certified Kaitu Silva as a citizen of India. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar said that Kaitu never entered Portugal and never registered his birth at Lisbon. Chief Minister further alleged that Ministry for Home Affairs has done a fraud by providing false information. Sanjay Manoli reports for RDX Goa.
I think it is better. They have rejected the application of Churchill's advocate. This is my information. I am not speaking for... They have rejected it, saying that we can't take it on record. You will have to make a petition in the original application.
But Goa government is going to contact Portugal government also regarding...
No, there is no need for me. I have certified him to be a citizen of the country. Any Goan who has registered the birth does not lose his citizenship of this country at all. In case of Kaitu, he has never gone to Portugal. So there is a question of he registering his birth. Let them show a single document signed by him. I have seen all the so-called documents. Birth anyone can register. Tuझा birth असून तिसरा मनीस register करू शकता. Because there is no verification carried out whether you are applying or third person is applying. An agent can go and register your birth in Portugal. Obviously.
No, but
because he has never gone to Portugal.
Okay.
He has never made any application. Let them show. I challenge on that.
Kaitu sold that. What about 35,000 people?
They don't lose because Portuguese law may give them right for citizenship. Does not mean they have renounced Goan citizenship. But Congress wants them out. Law expert, but from whatever law legal things I have knowledge and consultancy I have done, I think for a citizenship you have to first take an oath. You have to take an oath.
Where in Portugal?
Obviously, before some Portuguese official, and renounce your Indian citizenship. You have to give away your Indian passport for a Portuguese passport.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, while addressing the media, informed that he has asked Goa police to dispose of Tarun Teshpal case as soon as possible. Chief Minister expressed his disgust over media's rumors of he taking early report in Teshpal case. Adding to this, he said that he do not have the time nor patience to track this case. Meanwhile, the victim was produced before the magistrate at Panjim on Tuesday.
I have been consistently receiving phone calls, messages, requests on detail of the investigation. I have issued instruction to DGP that they should brief the media on this issue every day if required. As it is not my practice nor my habit to take briefing on investigation, neither give directions. Though some media probably trying to create a opening for some sort of a bail, reported a very small report that I take hourly report on the issue. I am sorry to say that I don't have that time nor the patience for it. The state government does not intend to monitor except asking the police department to ensure fast, speedy disposal of the case.
स्टिंग ऑपरेशन क्यों बीजेपी के खिलाफ किए हैं और यहाँ पे बीजेपी की सरकार है,
तो यहाँ भी करे ना स्टिंग ऑपरेशन. फंसा रहे हैं तो स्टिंग ऑपरेशन से मालूम पड़ेगा उनको. फंसा रहे हैं कि ये कर रही है. आरोप कोई भी लगा सकता है और कोर्ट में जब आप बेल पे जाते हैं तो आपको कुछ ना कुछ तो रीजनिंग लगती है जिसके आधार पर आप ये होगे. इंसिडेंट तो बीजेपी सरकार का किया हुआ नहीं है, उसमें तो बीजेपी सरकार इन्वॉल्व नहीं है. इंसिडेंट होने के बाद ईमेल बीजेपी सरकार ने नहीं लिखा है. 6 महीने के लिए रेजिग्नेशन ऑफिस से बीजेपी सरकार ने नहीं दिया है, उसका माफीनामा या SMS व्हाटएवर इट इज ईमेल वो तो सरकार ने नहीं किया है। और मीडिया में भी जब आया उस समय सरकार का कुछ रोल ही नहीं था। तो जब ये सब आ गया उसके बाद में इन्वेस्टिगेशन करना, और मेजर क्राइम हुआ है, और मैं आपको पूछ रहा हूं कि क्राइम हुआ है कि नहीं, ऐसा प्राइमा फेसी आपको क्या लगता है? अगर क्राइम हुआ, मीडिया ही कह रही है क्राइम हुआ है, ऐसा प्राइमा फेसी है, तो उसका इन्वेस्टिगेशन करना, अभी तक इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं किया है, और क्या किया?
Local resident of Baina Vasco on Wednesday marched to the Marmagao Municipal Council hall during meeting and took the councillors who was attending a meeting by surprise and demanded that the development of garden should be given to corporate body which will help MMC in other developmental works. The locals then questioned chairperson over his decision of resolution for development of the garden, while they found that the local ward councillor is opposing the garden project, saying that it can be done through MPLD fund. किरण बोरकर रिपोर्ट्स फॉर RDX गोवा.
आमच्या नागरिकांनी एक प्रपोजल हाडलेले माननीय श्री विजय चौगले यांच्याकडल्यान की बायणाचे गार्डन मेंटेन करपाक, रिनोवेट आणि मेंटेन करपाक त्यांच्याकडे दिवचे म्हणून. तर दितकच काही राजकारण हांगा जावपाक सुरवात जाली मुन्सिपालिटीन. स्थानिक कावन्सिलरान ताका विरोध करपाचो प्रयत्न केलो किंवा आनी काही कावन्सिलरांनी विरोध करपाक की आमी MP फंडांतल्यान करता म्हणून. आमची एकूच मागणी आसली आज कावन्सिल मिटिंगेत, MP फंडांतल्यान गार्डन जाले तर ते मेंटेन कोण करतलो? हेच्या पयलीं रिनोवेशन जाला, जुवारीन केला, पण मेंटेनन्स जावना. आज आमची मागणी असली की ती चोगलेंक एक गार्डन दिवचे हू विल रिनोवेट अँड ऑल्सो मेंटेन इन्क्लुडिंग सिक्युरिटी. एब्सोल्युटली आज आमच्या लोकांच्या युनिटीक लागून हांगासर म्युनिसिपालिटीन ते मान्य केल्ले आसा.
आमचो सगळ्या गांवचो लोकांचो एकूच पॉयंट असो आशिल्लो की मेन हे पळय आतां MPचे फंड पळय पयशे येयल्या, आमी तांकां फकत सांगला कितें हे MPचे फंड जे येयल्या ते आनी खंय दुसरे कोडे बारीक बारीक पळय आमचे पळय काम आहा ते पयशे व्हरून बायणा फिश मार्केट आमचो आनी सगळे टायल्स घालपाच्या ग्राउंड आहा फुट्या पाटांतलो हे MP फंडाले पळय पयशे येयले हे थिंगा व्हरून ते फंड्स यूज करा म्हणून. पूण आयज जरी तर चोगले सर आयज एक प्रायव्हेट फर्म तो तर गार्डन तो तर बांदूंक तर आमकां रिनोवेट करून दिवंक सोदता विथ सेक्युरिटी एंड मेंटेनन्साचे, जाल्यार we all the people have to be happy with that.
काउन्सिलर सांगलेले की आम्ही घेऊन येल्या तुमकां लेटर, तुम्ही येया म्हणून. पण त्यांनी सांगले की आपण पावना म्हणून. पण सपोज असं केन्ना खंयची पार्टी घेवन येता आमकां कितें आपूण वास्कोन डेव्हलपमेंट करता जाल्यार आमी तें घेवचेच पडटा, कित्याक आमकां वास्कोन आमकां कितें तरी क्लीन जाल्ली जाय. आनी आज आमी रेजोल्युशन घेतलेलें आसा की तें काउन्सिल मिटिंगान घालून रेजोल्युशन घेतलें आसा की तें चौगुलेक दिवची म्हणून.
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
जी फुलां काल देवाच्या पांयाकडे आशिल्ली त्या फुलांनी आज तू त्याच देवाची भुई वाडटा. उदकान उडयल्ले प्लास्टीक आमच्यो दर्या देगो पळय कितले बुरश्यो करता.
Under Goa Non-Biodegradable Garbage Control Act 1996, littering of public places with garbage shall be punished with imprisonment for a term of which may extend to a month, or with fine which may extend to ₹5,000, or with both. Persons in possession of unlabeled and or plastic carry bags less than 40 microns shall be prosecuted under Environment Protection Act 1986.
Presenting Goa's biggest family restaurant and bar. A well-defined ambiance that suits every age. Serving authentic Goan and mud cuisine. A perfect place to celebrate every remarkable moment. Your all-time hunger satisfied here. Casa Bosco, above Cafe Bosle, near National Theatre, Panaji, Goa.
Lucky Enterprises Wholesale and Retail Shop. Designer sarees, designer salwar kameez, salwar suits, kurti, leggings, nighty and cotton collection. Shop number 1 and 2, Sweet Home Symphony, near New Railway Bridge, Margao, Goa. Contact 9158057860, 9673497222. Lucky Enterprises.
बाय अनु,
तू किती पळयता? केन्ना पळोवना म्हाका?
हें मोठे प्रॉब्लेम गॅसीचे. सगळी लोकां त्रास गॅसी लागून. आतां गोंयकारांनी सगळ्यांनी एकठांय जावन हे गॅसी प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करपाचे, नाजाल्यार सगळे गोंयकार गॅसीचे पडटले.
सो तुम्ही पळोवपाक विसरनाका नाका, येवकार आमी गोंयकार आडी एकठांय.
सोबीत दिसचें अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीत काय वाडयता. भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. भांगार म्हारग जाला? येवं नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आणि हैदराबादी मोतयाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आणि धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
Food, friends, family and fun, all at Casino Pride. Open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. A place where the party never ends.
कोकणी फिल्म मारियोलाचे स्क्रीनिंग गोयच्या सायबाच्या फेस्ता दिसा सांजेच्या 3:30 वरांचेर हनुमान नाट्यगृह, म्हापसा. पळयात मारियोला. डायरेक्टर जो रोज, एक्टर्स विनिशा, केविन, जो रोज, रोजारियो बोतेलो आणि हेर कलाकार. तिकेटी हनुमान थिएटराचेर मेवता.
Welcome back. As per the orders of Supreme Court, a committee of 3 members were appointed on the same day to probe into the matter of sexual harassment by senior IFI officer, informed Director of IFI Shankar Mohan. The committee was formed on the same day when the victim had lodged a complaint of sexual harassment. He further said that the documents pertaining to inquiry have been handed over to state government for further investigation. Sanjay Manoli reports for RDX Goa.
For the Supreme Court order, the same day that the complaint was received, the same day an all-women's committee was set up to look into the complaint. The person who complained was invited to speak fearlessly in front of the committee, and the person against whom the complaint had been filed was also requested to speak, plus her companions, her colleagues were also asked to speak. So as of moment, nothing conclusive has been found. But nonetheless, we have also given all the documents to the state government and also appraised them of what action we have taken. We have set up an internal inquiry committee based on the Supreme Court orders. That was done as per the law of the land. And as per the law of the land, we are also supposed to appraise the police, and that also has been done. So whatever has been done is as per the law of the land.
But filing of complaint, anything on that?
You will have to now check with the police. We have done whatever we are required to do in the matter.
But how do you
immediately and very same day.
As a director, how do you see such type of incidents when you are director?
I am not able to comment on that. It's a very unfortunate event that has happened, because what needs to be now decided is the future course of action.
A panel of Sarpanch, Deputy Sarpanch and other Panch members of Bari Panchayat under the leadership of MLA Subhash Faldesai and MLA Rajan Naik gave memorandum to Kunkolim police demanding arrest of Mahindra Valley, the third suspect in the alleged assault of Deputy Sarpanch Bhamtu Valley during the Gram Sabha. Mandar Naik reports for RDX Goa.
आज केपें मतदारसंघातले तशेंच केपें तालुक्यातले सगळे सरपंच, डेप्युटी सरपंच आनीक पंचायत मेंबर आयज तांणी एक डेलिगेशन घेवन PI राजू रावता कडेन डिस्कशन केल्लें आसा एज रिगार्ड्स टू ग्रामसभे भितर बाळ्ळे अडणे ग्रामसभा पयर आयताराक जाली त्या ग्रामसभे भितर कांय भुरग्यांनी अटॅक केलो डेप्युटी सरपंचाचेर भामटू वेळीप आनी ताका सिरियसली इंजर्ड केलो आनी तो अनकॉन्शियस जावन पडलो आनी ताका हॉस्पिटलांत शिफ्ट करचो पडलो आणि त्याच्या नंतर या सगळ्या ग्रामस्थांमध्ये आणि पंचायत मेंबरांमध्ये सरपंचामध्ये एक भीतीचे वातावरण निर्माण जाल्लें की तांचेर एक्शन कांयच जायना आनीक तांकां दोग जाणांक अरेस्ट केले 3 जाणां पैकी आनी मेन एक्यूज आशिल्लो जाणें ताचेर मुठी मारल्यो आनी थापट मारून ताका शुद्ध उडयलो. जे गुंड प्रवृत्तीचे लोक आपल्या मना प्रमाणे जेन्ना ग्रामसभेक निर्णय जानात तेन्ना सरपंचाचेर आनी उपसरपंचाचेर पंचायत मेंबराचेर अटॅक करपाचे अनेक इन्सिडंट हांगा जाल्ले आसात. हे आमच्या लोकशाहीक खूप घातक आसा. 2 दीस जाले आयताराक इन्सिडेंट जालो, सोमार गेलो आनी आयज मंगळार आसा. साधारण ते 2 दिसाचो 48 आवर्सांचो टायम गेल्लो आसा आनी ह्या टायमा भितर एक एक्यूज अजून फ्री भोंवता ताका अरेस्ट जायना म्हणून हो आयज आमचे धरणे आशिल्ले.
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
Established in 1974, the Pride of Goa, Hotel Fidalgo, situated in the heart of Panjim city on 18 June Road, offers 4-star luxury. Live in style at lavishly designed rooms at affordable rates. 103 elegant rooms with the Fidalgo Food Enclave. Well-equipped venues for banquets and conferences, with 6 halls to choose from. Escape from hectic schedules and pamper yourself at the health spa. Combining business with pleasure, Hotel Fidalgo.
Uncle's Kitchen, Chinese and multi-cuisine restaurant. After a 27-year service in Mumbai, now at Amonkar's Boutique Hotel, Miramar, Goa. Also One-Up Lounge Bar, serving Indian and foreign beverages with dancing lights and DJ music. Thrown open for public from 20th November at Amonkar's Boutique Hotel, Miramar, Panji. Uncle's Kitchen and One-Up Lounge Bar.
सांबावचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबावतलो. राखपा गोंयची सोबीत काय कोण वावुरतलो.
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय.
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो.
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो. हांव सांबावचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबावतलो.
आमच्या भोंवतणी एकठांय जावपी गार्बेजी आनी कोणूच न्हय आमीच रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसतात.
घुसपट जमनीची जाल्यार कोण रिजवतलो.
नितळसाणीन रावप हो आमचो अधिकार आसा पण त्याच बरोबर ती आमची गरज आनी जबाबदारी आसा.
हांव सांबावचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबावतलो.
राखपा गोंयची सोबीत काय कोण वावुरतलो.
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय. कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो. कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो.
Welcome back. The inspection of road from Pirna to Advalpal and from Advalpal to Asnora have been done by MLA Naresh Sawal and MLA Kiran Khandolkar. At this inspection, Deputy Collector of Mapsa and Bicholim were present. Sudesh Maikar for RDX Goa.
Pirna te Advalpal आणि Advalpal ते असनोडा पर्यंतचा जो रस्तो असा तो बरोच अरुंद असा. खास करून जो गावातल्यान रस्तो गेला अडवलपालच्या त्या रस्त्याचे लँड एक्विजिशन जाल्ले आसा सायडीचे, पूण अजून पर्यंत गव्हर्मेंटान घेवन डेव्हलप करूंक ना. तशेंच जे मैत्यातलो भाग जो आसा असनोडा ग्रामपंचायतीत येता तोय तशेंच जाला की इतलो रस्तो अरुंद आसा की दोन गाडयो केन्ना केन्ना सोडपाक खूब त्रास जाता. म्हणून आयज इतल्या वर्सांची मागणी म्हाका दिसता कोणें तेचेर लक्ष दिलो ना. म्हणून हांव आनी बाब किरण कांदोळकार तो त्या भागाचो आमदार जो आसा तो तांकां घेवन आमचे डेप्युटी कलेक्टर प्रदीप नायक आनी त्याच बरोबर म्हापशेचे डेप्युटी कलेक्टर साबाजी शेटये, आमचो एसिस्टंट इंजिनियर गावडे आनी ताचे साथी घेवन आमी तेचे आयज इन्स्पेक्शन केलें आनी अशें ठरयलें की जी जागा एक्वायर जाल्ली आसा तेचे डिमार्केट करचें आनी आमची कितली जागा आसा ती पळोवन त्या प्रमाणे PWDन मागीर थंय फुडें तो रस्तो करचो अशें ठरयलां.
Sporting Club the Goa in association with Don Bosco High School Panchim has organized under-12 football tournament on 30th of November. Around 12 teams had participated in this tournament last year.
So basically we are organizing this tournament for the under-12 students, okay, and it is together with Don Bosco, together with Sporting Club the Goa, that I think conceived of this idea 2 years back, and now that it has gained momentum because of the new facility that we have, and we hope that promoting talent among these young people will really help them to come out and express themselves and play this game of football from a very young age with passion and that element of professionalism.
Last year we had 12 teams, and this time again it's an invitational tournament, and we stuck on to increasing that from 12 to 16, and they are all schools from all over Goa. We have more participation from south, 8 teams from the south, 6 teams from the north. 9 teams from the south and 7 teams from the north. For the first round, it will be we have divided them into 4 groups. It will be a league match. Every team will get an opportunity to play 3 games, and then the second round will be semi-finals. One team will be selected from Group A, Group B, Group C, Group D. A will play versus B, and C will play versus D. And then we have the 2 finalists, winners of A and B and C and D.
Before we wind up, here is the recap of the headlines. Goa government has certified Kaitu Silva as a citizen of India. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. Goa police to dispose of the Tarun Teshpal case as soon as possible. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. And local resident of Baina Vasco marched to the Marmagaon Municipal Council Hall on the issue of beautification of garden in the town. This news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RDX Goa. You can also watch the news on www.rdxgoa.com as well as on YouTube. Goodbye.